We do Mexican night and it's just like salsa, sour cream, guacamole, cheese. This is outside of the box.
You do know I love Mexican food.
I did not know that.
Now you know.
Yeah.
Vince is at home.
Welcome everyone to a special edition of Vince's at Home. I'm Giancarlo.
I'm Kristen.
And we have a special guest today. We have
Heather Goodman. If you've heard of Goodman's Fine Foods in Newmarket, you've probably seen me. Or if you follow me on Heather's Table on Instagram, you'll recognize my face.
You're a staple of Newmarket. You have started a cooking series out of our Vince's Sharon location.
That's right.
Let's do a video and let's show some of examples of recipes that you can learn by coming to one of those classes.
100%.
So what do you want to start with? What are we
Well,
doing today?
let's start with the summer squash sheet pan tacos.
Summer
Squash, sheet pan, tacos. Summer squash, sheet pan, tacos. The key to this recipe is really using up the squash when it's seasonal and local and here, like it always is at Vince's. And we are going to roast it, but then we've got lots and lots of flavor happening. There is a bit of prep here, but don't let that dissuade you at home. Prep is the key to getting everything done right on time, but it's really very simple. The first thing we're gonna do, I've got some beautiful yellow summer squash and some zucchini, and I've just tossed these in some olive oil and some salt and pepper. And you need space to move your product around on the pan.
And if it's overcrowded,
then you're gonna steam
ain't
it.
roasting.
You're gonna steam it.
That's
It's gonna
right.
pull all the water out and you're not gonna get a dry heat.
I noticed no parchment, no aluminum on this. You're going right on the sheet pan. That's on purpose?
That's on purpose.
Yeah.
So listen, there's no way to get around it. You're gonna have a dirty pan.
It's okay.
I'm gonna throw this in the oven and then I'll walk you through some of my other prep. So what I've got here are
It's vegetarian,
shallots.
by the way, isn't it?
This is totally vegetarian. We all know shallots, right? It is a man-made combination of onions and garlic. I've got red wine vinegar. My recipe calls for za'atar. I subbed because you can't always find za'atar, which is a Middle Eastern spice blend of marjoram and paprika and sesame. So I've got margarine and I've got paprika in here and salt and pepper. All I wanna do is warm that up. And then I'm gonna pour it over the shallots and the shallots are going to sit and marinate. I'm going to now combine my tahini.
And tahini is, for those,
Tahini is sesame seed paste, fresh squeezed lime juice.
not the little jar with your squeezer?
Everything is better if you squish it fresh.
I agree with you.
This is between 2 to 3 tablespoons. This is one of my favorite things. This is smoked paprika.
Definitely has a different flavor.
Right?
Oh, yeah, I can
Yeah.
smell
So this
that.
is giving you that smoky element.
Smoky.
It's one of my favorite spices. And then I've got some minced garlic.
You were always tasting while you cook?
Always tasting while I cook.
Yeah.
Okay, it needs a bit of salt. Sea salt is literally dehydrated seawater. It is still sodium if you have sodium issues, but it also has minerals.
Yes,
And
totally.
elements our bodies need.
Totally.
So we don't have to be afraid of salt if we're eating healthy salt. It's the same thing with food. I've got some chopped Italian parsley. This is going to be our sauce for our tacos. This is 100% white corn taco. Corn tacos are stiff. We're gonna warm them. I always do this. So these are ready and that's what you do. You're gonna put as many as you want in this little packet, seal it up, and it's gonna sit in the oven while you're finishing up.
Is it building time?
It's building time. I wanted you to notice for a moment that this is what the squash looks like when it's been roasted. We don't want it to be too dry. We do want it to have a little bit of golden color. It doesn't have to be perfect on both sides.
I love the vegetarianism of this.
And we should be eating more veg,
We should be
right?
eating
I
more
am
veg.
guilty
We
of
need
not
to
eating
get
enough
more
of it.
veg in our lives.
Yeah.
Totally. And sometimes we're like, oh, I'm making tacos. It has to have a protein. It has to have chicken. And it's like, no, it doesn't.
By all means, this sauce, you could do this with meat. We are going to start by spreading some hummus on our taco.
Well, there's some protein.
Squash, there's our shallots. Here's our little sauce. Here's a little bit of our feta or cojita, if you have it, on top. So there's your taco. Giancarlo, you want to get a bit of taste?
That is a wonderful combination of flavor. You did an amazing job as we went through explaining what you were doing.
Okay, good.
I
Thank
could
you.
see your teaching style and I've liked it.
Very approachable.
Yeah.
A lot of good tips in there.
You know, what you see is what you get. I am who I am. I'm very relaxed. I, sometimes use salty language, but
We like it salty around here.
Come see Heather, join one of her classes. We'd love to have you here. Thank you.